Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Review. So today we're in a new environment. No, I have not moved my place. I'm just in this room here for the night. Anyways, I just came back from the Huawei P50 Pocket launch earlier today, and I have quite a fair bit to share with you guys. It is a very interesting foldable phone. Alright, so let's just jump into the device straight away. I had a few minutes to actually play with it around, and the first thing that I have to mention here is that the foldable itself, the mechanism was very solid. As soon as you close the device, it has a solid thud, and I absolutely love that about the Huawei P50 Pocket. Alright, so design-wise, I think it is quite alright. It looks very premium. There are two colors, but I was only able to handle one. I think it's the white version, so this is the one that you are seeing right now on the camera. The good thing about this Huawei P50 Pocket is that they did very well to ensure there are no gaps at all between the top and the bottom display when you shut the device closed. So I think that's very cool. Alright, so let's just talk a little bit in terms of the specifications. What are you really getting here? Now, when you open the device, what you do get here is actually a 6.9-inch AMOLED display. It is refreshed at 120 Hz, so you have those smooth and buttery kind of feeling whenever you interact with the display. The good news here is that it is a 21:9 display. That means that if you like to watch movies on your smartphone, this one over here will not have the black bars on the top and bottom section. Now, another thing that you should take note of here is that this display is a 2K display, so that means that the pixel density is approximately 442, which makes it very high density. So it's going to be pixel clear, everything is going to be very sharp. It's a very good display that you're getting on the Huawei P50 Pocket. Definitely flagship level stuff over here. Now let's move on and talk a little bit about the cameras on the back. So what we do have here is actually a triple camera setup. You have a 40 megapixel main sensor, you have a 13 megapixel ultra wide, 120 degree ultra wide sensor, and last but not least, you have a 32 megapixel ultra spectrum camera. So what this ultra spectrum camera is supposed to do is give you better reproduction of the colors from the pictures that you take on the Huawei P50 Pocket. Now, naturally, I only had limited time with the phone itself, so I did manage to take a couple of photo samples, which I will show on the screen right now, so you can take a quick look. But bear in mind, this might actually be pre-production quality, so it might not be the best. This is just for a very quick reference in terms of the camera capabilities from the Huawei P50 Pocket. Now, moving on in terms of the processor itself, obviously, yes, we do get the Snapdragon 888. It is very powerful. Everything went very smoothly, obviously, since it's a brand new device. But one thing that I do want to point out here is actually a very interesting display that we have on the flip cover. Now, we do have a 1-inch circular display over there, which actually is able to do a couple of functions. Whenever you slide to the other side, you are able to go through a couple of widgets. So what I noticed that we have your music controls, you have the time, you have your notifications. You can also access the camera, which I think is very convenient if you want to take a selfie with the clamshell closed. So I realized that you are able to take really good selfies here because you are actually using the main sensor, the main 40 megapixel sensor, to take a selfie of yourself. And the good news here is that because the display, the 1-inch round display, is able to show your face, you will be able to take very accurate and nice selfies of yourself with this Huawei P50 Pocket. Now, last but not least, of course, we also have a 4000 mAh battery in this very slim device. I think that is great, and it supports 40-watt fast charge, which makes it charge up very quickly. I don't have an actual time from 0 to 100%, but with 40 watts fast charge, you can expect it to charge up fairly quickly. Now, overall, I think, again, this is just a very quick hands-on with the Huawei P50 Pocket. I think it's a very cool design. It's always good to see more foldables getting into the industry today, and the best part here is that Huawei is also improving on the design and everything. Just like I mentioned, a gapless when it's closed, very premium build and quality. I love the fact that it has those two circular designs there, and it makes use of that round display to actually show you some very useful information. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Again, this is just a very quick hands-on. We do not actually have any pricing announcement from Huawei Malaysia yet, but do stay tuned to Huawei to find out more details about this very interesting Huawei P50 Pocket device. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a like and sub to the channel if you want to see all the latest tech here available in Malaysia. And I definitely hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe everybody. Bye!